Hey, black belt here. If you've gotten to the black belt, away to go. Now, on the black belt, if you start off fast, when you get down to the third line, it gets super hard. So when you start, you want to count what the rhythm is on the third line so that you can start at a speed where you can play that. So for example, oh, I even messed up. So if you can play, however fast you can play that, that's how fast you can play the beginning. And there's the black belt. A little word about the end of the third line. You have that tie. And the tie goes from the third line into the fourth line. So that quarter note, those two do's, are held together to make two beats, which is a do. So I'm just going to play that measure, the very last measure on the third line. Sorry. And that's another one where those fingers have to be very close by there or you're going to squeak. And that's the black belt.